Welcome back to the Stony Creek and Poor Valley Railroad. So today I am walking through a journey of a repair that I did. This was a Lionel 2023 Union Pacific Alco FA that I got off of eBay. It ran, but was in fairly rough condition, so it needed quite a bit of attention. As you could see, the paint was rather nasty. The interior was horrible, a lot of rust in it. So did a lot of work, and then I reshot as you can see here, reshot the body with, actually used Caterpillar yellow paint. The frame had been corroded, so I just did the best I could with what I had. This was a journey for me. You can see here when I was going along, had a problem with paint crackling, so I had to start over a couple of times. So since this is a journey of learning, I wasn't worried too much about some of the details, but I'm pretty pleased with the way it turned out. You can see here that the paint job turned out not too shabby. I've got a few touch-up pieces I probably want to do on it. But the one thing I did learn is that you don't want to use paint stripper on these old post-war bodies. They tend to melt. So at some point I'll get a new shell. Maybe I'll see it at the train show tomorrow over in Dayton, Ohio. But as you can see, it's a smooth runner. No complaints at all. The horn works on it. The only part that I have not succeeded in getting running, I can't get the electric coupler to behave right. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of brain surgery there. But I had to get a new battery cover. The original frame, the battery, as you'd see in one of the earlier pictures, the frame was badly corroded. I had to clean it up with citric acid. That's what I used. And it cleaned up quite well, but it had been corroded badly enough that it was fitted pretty bad. So for a basket case, I'm not too disappointed. And I hope you enjoy this. This was a fun little project. Thanks very much, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and tell everybody about this. Take care. Bye-bye.